Welcome everyone, and in this video we are going to look at all the basics of a Elementor page builder. So let's get started. So Elementor is a visual page builder which let you create a custom design with the help of a pre-made widgets and elements. And you can see all the changes live as you make them. So unlike traditional way of creating a website where you are limited to the customization capabilities of a certain theme, now with a page builder like Elementor, you have a complete control over the design of your website, and you can customize and design each and every element of your website with the easy drag and drop features. So let's see how we can create a basic layout with the Elementor page builder. Now there are two basic building blocks of creating a website with the Elementor. First is sections and second elements. Now if you are creating a blog, you will have a section for your header. You can have another sections for the navigation inside the header. You can have a sections for each of the block. You can have a sections for the sidebar and all the items inside your sections, like here all the buttons inside your navigation bar and this image for your blog and the headings for your blogs. All these will be considered as widgets or elements. So let's see how we can add sections and widgets in Elementor page builder. So when you have Elementor installed, you can go to the pages. If I want to design my home page, I will see the option of edit with Elementor, or I can click on home and then I will click edit with Elementor here. Now this will take me to the Elementor editor. Now to add a sections, click on a plus button and here select if you want to add a single section, pair of the sections, 3 sections. I will add single section here. You can add the columns later on as well. So I will right click here and click add new column. So now we have 2 sections and you can add as many sections as you want. Now let's see how we can add widgets to our sections. So click on this widget menu icon. So here you can find all the widgets or elements that you can use. So let's say I want to use this heading widget. So I will drag these widgets inside the section. Here with this content area, I can make all the basic changes in my heading element. So if I want to change the text of this heading element, I will go to the title and remove this text and type my own text. You can make other changes like alignments, like if I want to align it to the center. Now by clicking on style, I can make all the basic changes in the style of this element. I can change the color, or I can change the typography. I will change the font to something else. I can adjust its size. And with the advanced tab, I can make the advanced changes like adjust the padding around the section. So if I want a padding around the whole section, first I will click this section to edit the section. Then I will go to the advanced and add padding. Now you can see all the padding values are changing together because I have activated the link together. If I unactivate this, only the value which I'm increasing will change. Now to add another widget, I will drag it below the heading element inside the section. Now to make the changes to each element, you have to first click that element, and then the editing for that element will be activated. So clicking this element, I can align this element to the center from here. I can change the typography by going to the style and changing the typography. Again, if I want to change the background color or set the background image for this whole section, first I have to click on the edit section. Then I will go to the style I will set the background type as classic, and then from here I can choose the color from the background, or I can even choose the background image. Now let's change the color of this heading text to white to make it more visible. So click on this and then go to style and change the color to white. Now to make the text even more visible, I can add the black overlay on this whole background image. So I will click on edit section, and from here click on background overlay, click on classic, and here set the black overlay. And now you can adjust the opacity from here. Let's add more padding to this section. So click on advanced and increase the padding. Now what if I want to use this section for other pages like about page, and I don't want to redesign this whole thing again? So what I can do is save this whole section as a template. So right click on this section and here click save as a template. I will name it as a hero section and save. Let's use the same hero section in our about page. Let's first save all the changes by clicking on update. Now go back to the dashboard, view pages. Now edit the about page with Elementor. Click on this add template icon. From my templates, click on insert to import the hero section. Now what if I don't want to create each and every section myself and want some inspiration for some sections? So what I can do is go here in add templates, and under the pages I can find a bunch of predefined templates by Elementor. You can preview each of them and insert the one that you like in your page. Now you can make changes for each of their elements according to your need. Now if you don't want whole layout for the page and just want the layout for the certain section, you can use the blocks option. So go to the add templates again, and here click on blocks and select the section. Like if you want the block for FAQ section, you can find multiple blocks for the FAQ sections. So let's insert this one. Now Elementor also have a responsive mode to set your design for the different devices like a mobile devices. So click on responsive mode and click mobile. Now here you can adjust your design for the mobile device. And every change I make in the mobile mode will not be applicable in a desktop mode. So if I align the button to the left for the mobile mode and update it, and now let's see it in a desktop mode, it is still centered in a desktop mode. Now if you think you have done something wrong and you want to go back to the last changes, click on history. You can see all the editing actions that you have taken so far, and under the revision you can see it even with the date and time. So let's say I want to go to the point where I haven't added this template yet and I have only added this hero section. So I will go to the point where I have added this hero section. So I will click on this and we are back to that point. So that's it with all the basics of Elementor Page Builder. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button. See you in the next video.